One pink wheel here. We've got a Craftsman mower, model 91737 8080. The lower handle has broken. So what I did is I looked at that model number on the Craftsman website, got a part number for the lower handle here, and of course they don't make it anymore, so I ordered one off eBay, and unfortunately when I looked up that model number I did not look up and make sure that the shape was the same. This is the correct part number, but the information on the Craftsman website was wrong. I'm hoping that this will still fit. I guess we'll find out. Basically what we're going to have to do is take this off. This hand screw was the same on this side. Of course that broke at one point, so I'll just have to take that bolt off. And then we've got these pins on these sides, and of course this that holds the cables, and hopefully it should be pretty easy, and hopefully although the shape is different, it will still fit. We'll find out.